Hey guys, I went to take a ride up Sleep Bear Dunes, and I had a check engine light come on my 2016 Nissan Rogue. It was intermittently coming on. I noticed it had a miss in it. So I kind of knew what I was looking for. I knew that dummy me, I put these plugs in. Everybody said you put in these cars and they work great. They don't. It was E3s. So I got home and I went to the auto store and I bought some iridium plugs and put back in it, which cured the problem. But there's one thing it didn't do. My check engine light didn't go off. There was an error code. P0330 to be exact. And that was an engine misfire, which tells me it's back to spark plug. So I went to Napa looking for a code reader and eraser, and they didn't have one. So I went to AutoZone, of all places. Really, I'm not a fan of AutoZone, but I went there. And I went in there and said, well, because they let me use their code reader once before. So I decided, well, let me can I borrow your code reader? And I borrowed the reader, and I erased the code in my car and rescanned it, and there was no issues. So I decided, well, I have a couple used cars here. I have my Jeep, which is 21 years old, and my son's car. So I decided, well, I'll just buy one. So I bought this little feller, the Fix Assist, it's called, the 3020. It was like $47. We're going to do this one-handed, excuse me. I've already had it out. Right there it is. That's what it looks like. It's real simple. This will fit about any car that has a computer. Here's your connector. On these Rogues, they tell you you got to you just got to turn the key on. But I discovered on this one, I have push to start ignition. Well, you basically start it. So we go down here. Down here, it's hard to see. Right here in the center, I have a connector. Right there it is. It's a little tricky to get to here. Turn this around the right way. Just like that. You can see it's plugged in. Right there's a reader. It's already the scanner's reading, which is nice. Because it's on about a 2-foot cable, and they say, you know, you got to turn the car on. I found that if I go like this, I just start the car. You hear it beep. See the yellow light come on? Because I've already wiped out. There's no codes. If you wanted to erase the codes, once you got all done, you hit erase. If I can get it to work here. It says erase, and there's a question mark. You hit erase, and it says done. So if you have a check engine light, it'll turn it off. So it's a real simple outfit, $47. Got a little leaf garbage on it. It's well worth throwing in your toolbox. You can see I have no check engine lights, no nothing on the car. So this is kind of my mini review of the Innova 3020 code scanner. It's definitely something to have in your box. Right here it is. It's what you look for. It's called Fix Assist, because a lot of these code scanners do not erase the codes. They'll let you know, like here's the one here that says check engine, clears trouble codes, emissions check. It does check for brake codes, which I have never done. So let's see how that works here. Okay, we're gonna go ABS. Let's see if we can turn on here. It's reading. and there was a code. It says M222. Well, that's an old code. It just was never taken out of it. So I'm going to hit erase. Hold this in. See if it'll let me do it. It says erase and a question mark. You can see it right there. And I'll hit erase again. Done. And just like that, there was an actual code in there. See, there's no codes now. So the ABS code is all set. Just that simple. It's well worth the $47. I've seen them anywhere from $36 to $47. It's well worth having in your toolbox. Or it's small enough you want, you can throw it in your glove box. If you're having issues and you just want to keep something with you, there it is. It's the Innova 3020. You can get them at AutoZone for about $47, $49. So check it out, guys. Next time you having issues with your car, your check engine light's coming on. Obviously, you get the code out of here. You go to the internet and look up what the code means, and you can go from there if you're mechanically inclined. It's not all that bad. Mine was an engine misfire initially, so I kind of suspecting the spark plugs I put in there, and I put new plugs in it, and the proper plugs, and it's done. These Nissan Rogues, they like the iridium plugs. Don't put nothing else. Don't waste your money on anything else. And I put 4 new ones in it, and it's working great. So this is my mini review of the Innova 3020 RS. You can get it at AutoZone. Check it out, guys. Bye-bye.